Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel where today we are going to be recapping the price action from Monday, May 11th, where I took 3 trades and managed to be break-even overall on the day. So starting off from the daily chart, we have just been bullish, but because this was a Monday and Tuesday printed this small-bodied candle where I would have rather seen it go below this Wednesday's low. This is more so consolidation, and I wasn't really expecting much of the other assets as well, but I had a small bearish sentiment going into today because we were just so expensive to the upside. I at least wanted to see Monday maybe be a bearish candle, and then Tuesday sweep the Monday low and continue going up higher, maybe to the 30,000 level. But I had a lot of work to get done in the morning, so I wanted to be done early, to say so. So I kind of rushed a bit with my entries, and that is why I am overall break even. I could have been up 2R, but because I basically rushed everything I've done today. I'm not really proud of this day, but yeah. So recapping it, my idea was this. We had a PSP and SMT at the low of day, but I wasn't really sure that this was the low of day, given how many up close candles we had going into this week. So I was expecting to see a move lower. So my bearish bias was more so confirmed here after we closed this 4-hour 2 o'clock candle, where we see that we have SMT and we posted this PSP with the other assets. So we have SMT at the high of day with a PSP. So I was looking to trade like this to these relatively equal lows, and we also had this low right here. So we had a lot of lows to be targeted. So my idea was mainly this. So I was waiting to see all of the assets switch bearish, and once YM closed here at 635, I basically took my entry and my stop went above just to these bodies right here, where we also had the SMT. So SMT was like this. So we had this high SMT, and I was looking to see these lows, all of them get taken out, and then maybe then we would reverse. But I ideally wanted to see these lows get taken, and as you can see, not much has passed. We took this low here and basically reversed off of it, and we switched strengths with YM, which started to go down while NQ was just pushing up. NQ was just chopping, was more so in a seek and destroy profile. I didn't really like NQ. It seemed like he was the strongest asset to the upside, and then switched strengths and became the weakest. So I didn't really like this. But then I still wanted to see bearish signs. So here at, what was this, 805. So at 805, we invalidated this this bullish fair value gap, and we created new bearish fair value gaps on our way down. So I entered off of this bearish fair value gap and put my stop above this SMT high. So if I switch here back to NQ1, okay, we can see that we have this SMT like this, where NQ made a higher high, and I waited for NQ to also CISD here, and I entered in this fair value gap with my stop above the SMT high, also targeting all of these resting lows here, but I was once again stopped out pretty quickly. And then for the remainder of the New York session, I didn't really trade anything. One, because it was basically a consolidation, and two, because I had stuff to do. So what was my trade that I managed to take to get break even? Well, So after we pushed up, we can see that if we look at the 6-hour candle, we have made this move very early into the candle where YM didn't actually sweep this. So we had SMT and we started to go down, and then here we also had this PSP. If we look on the 15-minute chart, we have this PSP, and we have SMT between these highs right here. So if we look on the 1-minute chart, once I've seen that, so first of all, we wanted to see ES CSD, and then I wanted to see some bearish signs that YM could actually go down. NQ was already primed to go down, so I basically entered here after we have seen this bearish candle on YM, and ES was also going down, so I entered here with my stop on this SMT high, and I was targeting these lows right here. So this was a 3-hour trade, but my risk was about 0.75 or thereabouts. But overall, this was a break-even day. It was a pretty chaotic day. I didn't really like my executions. I only liked my judgment for this final trade, but I'm not really, it wasn't really that clean, to say so. You can see that we were just chopping overall today. It was a pretty bad day. So yeah, this is going to be it, guys. If you enjoyed these types of recaps, please let me know by leaving a like and subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.